Hello, I am Professor Rios. In this occasion, I asked my students to draw a four-way circuit that would allow them to turn on and off lights from 30 different locations. We did that last week, and we're going to be covering this time engineering drawings. Let's see what they remember about that today. So that's your, okay, but you need the connections, right? You need the connections?
Is that what you wanted, or?
Right, the connections. You see how is it connected?
I'm not too good at drawing.
Wow.
Not now.
It's a wonderful piece of art.
Looks like hot garbage, Professor.
No. That probably that's the one that's closest to.
No, mine too.
I got the circuit, how you draw it, but
Yeah, this you need another wire here. The travelers. Okay. This one goes to a center. This one goes to a center.
those right here.
Is that a tic-tac-toe game?
Three in a row.
You wanted like that type of drawing.
Curtis, you didn't put a dot in the board? Not even that? Come on, try.
Nah, Eric had in the way.
Try, please.
You wanted that type, like on.
Eric, that's a tic-tac-toe game?
No.
Crystal, you didn't. Well, you're redoing it again. Okay.
Yeah, you wanted it like
Right,
like
okay.
that type of drawing. Okay.
All right.
Right here,
Yeah.
Let's see.
and then right here, and then the middle one. So got this.
Okay. One important thing I tell my students is that they have to get permanent knowledge about what they learn, and that's my job. Okay, if they're not getting it right, I'm doing something wrong. Let's see.
Yeah.
Good job, Johnny.
My drawing it looks like it got out of Canada or somewhere.
Spot on, man. What are you talking about? You get pictures of everything, but that one.
If you draw this one like this one, then it will be okay.
It's a forward switch.
Exactly, because this is. It looks like this was a smashed switch. It was broken, right? It's a broken switch. How does it work?
Well, in order for the two-way, they either got to be like both up.
No, tell me about that switch because I don't see that clear. Where are the connections?
That's down that way, and then
So this top wire here is connected where?
huh?
This wire is connected where?
So right here, to the switch.
So it's connected here, right? Put a line from here to here.
And then that one is connected to the first point over here, which is the light switch, which is like something like that.
Let me show you something. This switch that's the switch. And here you have one connection here, one connection here, and one here. That's the switch that moves up and down, up and down. That's the one.
See, that's why you're a professional drawer. I'm not.
A professional what?
I don't know what
He's
it is.
an artist, man. He's Picasso.
Curtis is looking at the drawing next to him, but as long as he understands what he's doing, he can explain what he's doing, it would be great.
Do you understand the concept?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Alright, so connection comes here, and then the connection comes right there. That's how you know it's switch. Alright? No?
Okay, first you need to draw a switch clearly. This is one connection, another connection. And that's the switch that flips one another position. This goes to the center, to the common, okay? And this one goes here. So this one goes position 1, position 2, and this one when it flips, it goes like this, okay? And this is another connection. That's how it's done. That's what you need to remember. This goes to a common, this goes to a common. Both
If you want to
extremes,
switch, then you just put the slash there, yeah?
the slash.
I mean, the connection here and the connection there.
Right. This is the common. It's common to this one and this one. So this can be flipped from this position to that position, or from this position to that position.
I knew
Okay.
it was something like that. I just didn't, because I remember you
Okay.
doing this sort of thing.
So Eric, what story about that? Now,
Good job, Johnny.
the both of those are okay. Can you try to redraw those circuits and explain to me how it works?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Can you try to redraw it and see? Tell us how it works.
I think they come in.
Choose the words. He's acting. I have to go get napkins, Doritos. I made a mess.
Okay.
What makes this one okay? Mine is not okay. Because I started with the first switch,
Okay.
then I had to go to a four-way switch for the second one.
So you have 4 switches, right?
I put four. It was supposed to be.
It works like that also.
Okay.
You also work like that. Okay. Do you understand how it works? Okay. So this one goes to the common.
Yeah.
This one goes to the common. No, there is something else missing there. And the travelers are missing there. You see, you need 2 wires
Yeah.
to have the whole thing work.
So that means I was supposed to have 2 wires here.
You connect this with this with this, and this with this with this. There are 2 connections here.
So it was supposed to be right here.
Exactly.
And right here.
Exactly.
Okay.
And one from here to here and from here to here.
That's when you do it with 4 wires. So there should be a traveler from the first one. Yeah, that's why you get.
But this is a common. There is a connection here and a connection here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now erase it and do it again.
Okay.
See if you It's warm here.
That's the tension that's on.
That's a comment.
Okay, that's better. You insist in doing 4-way switch with 4 switches. That's fine. You can put 100 if you want. You can turn on and off from 100 different locations.
Okay. This is the.
You know what?
No, but let's use only one of these because that's what we're doing at the lab. Okay. Put 3-way switch here, 3-way switch here, and 4-way switch here. That's a 4-way switch. That's fine.
Okay. And what should I put here?
And the 3-way switch is a common and 2 connections.
Yeah.
A common, that's okay. That's a common and 2 connections, one here and one here. So you can connect this with this.
Yeah. This will go here.
Exactly.
This will go here.
Yes. And then you need another 3-way switch here.
Like this.
How about the
No. You need another 3-way here. Another 3-way switch here.
So it would look like this here.
Yes.
One more dial.
One here.
Yes. And then you connect this with this.
Like this and like this.
Exactly.
And then
And this is the common. This is the common.
yes, they come in here.
Okay? Exactly.
So preferably you would want this instead of the first one I did.
No, you would bring 4 switches that we didn't
Okay.
cover that.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Crystal, are you up to this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Ruben, do you know how that works?
Yep. Yeah, in there.
Like if the circuit is closed, the light will turn on.
Yeah.
If the circuit is open, for any circumstance, it will not turn on. That comes down to it.
Forward. that too close together? You want me
Uh,
to draw them like?
why do we have 4 and 4 and 4?
Well,
Okay.
Yeah, it's too close together.
Okay, let me just explain how just to do the recording. I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna show you.
Sure.
It's recording right now. Is it? Okay, look.
Yeah.
All you have to remember is first to do a 3-way switch and throw a 4-way switch in the center, and that's it. You do first. Take a look at this, Ruben. The 3-way switch. Okay? You go like this. You go like this. That's the common. And this is the common. Position 1, position 2, position 1, position 2. I go from here like this. Go to my lamp. Okay?
Okay.
And go to, this is my neutral. From here, I go to my line, okay? And position 1, I connect it to position 1. Position 2, I connect it to position 2. Those are the travelers. Those 2 wires is called travelers. And they have to be there. So this is what is called an S3 switch and an S3 switch, a 3-way switch.
Okay.
So with 2 3-way switch, you can turn on and off the light from 2 different locations. Now, to do a 4-way switch, 4-way circuit, all you have to do is to throw in the center a 4-way switch that is represented, as you will see in the lesson today, as an S4. One position is like this, and when you flip it, it turns into something like this. Okay? That's a 4-way switch. So you do this one first, and you throw that one in the center, you have the 4-way circuit. Okay? So you have to remember that. First, do the 3-way switch installation,
First,
and then when you throw the 4-way switch in the center, it's done. Now that we have 2 new students coming in, we're going to see they're able to do this. Thank you.